Mother Nature is a serial killer. No one's better or more creative, but like all serial killers, she can't help the urge to want to get caught. What good are all those brilliant crimes if no one's there to take the credit? So she leaves crumbs. Now the hard part, and the reason why you spend a decade in school, is seeing the crumbs. The clues are there. Sometimes, the thing that you thought was the most brutal aspect of the virus turns out to be the chink in its armor. And she loves disguising her weaknesses as strengths. She is a bitch.